Good morning. You join me scraping the window of the car. It was so cold last night. We're frozen over. We're about to head dog sledding. We've got to drive 40 minutes to the meeting location. So yeah, let's get into another day in Iceland. It was that cold last night. The water has got ice in it in the car. Here we are. Look at this. Proper thick snow. All the dogs. Wow. So put it on your toe, and then you've got to pull it really tight. I can't do it to my knee. Oh, my hands are so cold, man. I need to sit down. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello, dog. Morning. So we're on the lake right now, about 30 centimetres thick of ice that we're stood on. Right, let's go and meet them all up.
The ones in the front are called leaders.
Okay.
So,
They lead.
And then behind them you have usually two swings. So swings are like a second set of leaders. So they help relay the orders to the rest of the team. And then everything that comes in between is called teams. Simple. And then the guys in the back are the wheels.
Wow.
And wheel dogs are usually your muscle.
Okay.
Big dogs. Not necessarily just the ones that are like strong enough
Yeah.
to take the load, or the ones that are too lazy. So you just want them to work.
I would be one of them.
That's so cool.
All the way up front, I have the smartest one of them all. And then the further back you go, the bigger, the stronger, and the heavier the dogs usually become. I say usually because we do have some exception here and there.
Wow. that was dog sledding in Iceland. So cold. Feet are frozen. But that was
Fell in the lake.
she just fell in the lake. That was incredible though. So fun meeting all the dogs and hearing all about them. And the best day so far in terms of weather, not a cloud. A couple of clouds, but not many clouds. The sun's just rising. It's beautiful. This is the Iceland we expected when we came, and we finally got it. We've parked up and here we are. Some waterfalls. Whoa. Right, so the main reason we're here is because we're going to walk down this path and there's a waterfall inside of a cave and you can get a nice cool picture, so that's what we're going to do, but yeah. Come on. Come on, Jackie. Come on. Go on, hold on. Go to the next one. Ah! Thank you. Sorry about that. Nearly there. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this. Oh my God. Right. Let's get out of here. And we've made it to Gljufrabui. Right, we have made it. There's all the igloos. Just got to go and try and find where check-in is and check in. Right, got the keys. That's what it looks like. Let's go find our pod. And hopefully we see some of that tonight. Oh, do the honours. Get us into the dome. Wow.
Oh, you go first.
Look at this. Very cool. Nice. (9:45) and we've just seen some amazing northern lights. We're going to call it a night, just seen the northern lights. So yeah, see you in the morning. Little look at the dome from in the morning. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you. It's today for me, but tomorrow for you guys, for the next video where we're going to the plane wreck, which is going to be sick.